How much space do you occupy in your own heart? Because if you truly knew the power of loving yourself unapologetically, fiercely, you'd never again shrink in the shadows of those who don't see your light.
It's the quiet rebellion of knowing I am enough minus even when the world goes silent. Self-love is the soil, the roots, the unshakable truth that you don't need permission to bloom, to walk away from toxic rooms, to say I choose me, because when you stand firm in your value, you stop bargaining for crumbs. You become a wildfire, untamed, unapologetic. Forgiveness isn't a white flag. It's not saying what hurt you was okay. It's dropping the weight of what if and if only. It's declaring the past doesn't get to live here anymore.
Forgive the ones who didn't know better. Forgive yourself for the times you didn't either. You're not erasing the story, you're reclaiming the pen. Life doesn't freeze in the storm. The pain you're clutching, it's a visitor, not a tenant. This too shall pass. But will you? Or will you let it bury you in before?
Your future self is begging you. Let go, break the cycle. Burn the old scripts. You are not your scars. You're the alchemist turning wounds into wisdom.
You were born to thrive, not just survive. So rise, forgive, grow. The world needs your unbridled light. And darling, you're worth every step.
Rewrite your story, not as the victim, but the hero. What traits will you shed? What strength will you claim? This is your reinvention.